All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today, going over what I went over. What today? I'm going over what I did at work, as always. So today, still worked on the power poles that I worked on yesterday. Not much change there. So I got the two power poles installed in the hallway. The last two, we did get the connectors from another coworker this morning. So if you remember, this is the floor and this is the ceiling. Up here, got the power pole. Power poles going from the floor to the ceiling next to the cubicles. And then these would be like the cubicle heights right here. So right in the middle of the cubicles, got the power poles going up through the ceiling. So got the last two of those in, and then the little junction box here at the bottom. So we did get the wire pulled to all of these actually, and we made up, actually I made up 3 out of 5. So got the wire pulled down all the way, which I will show you here in a second. So I got our junction boxes in the ceiling and whatnot, and those are all piped together going to where they need to go, to each power pole and whatnot. So got the flex, got some seal tight LMFC with the metal inside. That's what we had. We had some metal flex, but it was 3/4. It was too big, so we just used the seal tight, which is probably a lot more expensive, especially with watertight connectors inside of a dry building. Kind of a waste of money, but that's all we had. So anyways, got the connectors into the box, and then flex down to each of the power poles, and they have like a little cap right here that we put the connector in. And then screwed the caps to the top of the power poles with the screws that they came with. But first we pulled the wire. Some of the wire was missing, so my apprentice guy pulled some of the wire in. Some of it was already done, but got the wires in the boxes here, and then we just either pulled in a new wire from the actual like 12 by 12 over here, or we just cut some wire and then shoved it down the power pole, and then had the wire sticking out here, and then the wire from the cubicles over here. So I just wire knotted all those together, ground to ground, neutral to neutral, and then we had 2 hot circuits, and then like 4 hot wires over here. So what I did was what they wanted was 1 hot circuit per 2 hots in the cubicles. So there was actually 4 hots. So 2 of these, So 2 of these hots going together on 1 of the hots, and then the other 2 going together on the other hots, and then neutral to neutral, and then the ground to the ground. And that you probably can't see any of this. Oh no. Okay, it's still recording. My phone's on like power mode, so hopefully it's still working. So anyways, got that part done, which was pretty much what we did all day. So putting the power poles in, and then pulling the wire, and then making up these power poles here at the bottom. And so once again, once we finish, just put the cover back on at the bottom, and that was pretty much it. Tomorrow I'll finish up the last 2. My coworker's gonna be gone on vacation for Friday and Monday, so I will finish up the junction boxes here at the bottom of the 2 power poles, and then have to make up the connections in the junction boxes as well. None of that is made up yet. Connect those back to the circuits coming out of the panel, and to these junction boxes. So just have to make up, I don't know, maybe like 3 or 5 junction boxes or less. There's like 1 junction box per 2 power poles, so there's 2 power poles here, 2 power poles here, and then there's 1 around the corner over there. So yeah, just 1, 2, 3 boxes, and then the actual one over there. Hold on, I'm losing count here. I think that's right. There might be another one actually. I think there's another one in between here because it's really weird. So I think there's going to be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what I'm working with. And then we've just been locking up all the tools in the van every night, so bringing it up. Got a van parked at the job site that we've been using. So just taking all the tools out in the morning and then putting all the tools back in the van at the end of the day. So anyways, I think I covered everything. Just mounting power poles, cutting ceiling tiles again for the power poles, and then like I said, mounting the power poles, and then cut the ceiling tiles, and then pulling the wire through the boxes. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I will have some new stuff tomorrow once I finish this stuff. Another same coworker should be coming back tomorrow morning as well, and giving me the instructions on what I'm doing for the rest of the day tomorrow, and if not, another day as well, hopefully Monday as well, but if not, I'll figure it out as I get it going. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Love to see you guys back in the next video, and it would help the channel grow. And something else I already forgot. Check the description down below for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.